Okay, now this one. Now we
About.
pronounce it. Yes, about.
About.
About. This is, we pronounce it this, according to this letter, we pronounce and
Next one.
up. And this one, what's the sound of these two letters?
Ow.
Ow. Ow. And this letter?
It.
It. Okay. Now pronounce up, ow, it. About. Up, ow, it. About. And this one?
About. About.
Up,
About.
not up. And this one, these two? R and
Abrupt.
yes, abrupt, abrupt, abrupt. Very good. This one, this is a, right? This one we pronounce a. Can you
Observe. Observe.
absorb? Absorb. Very good. This one, this letter we pronounce sound, and this letter sound. Accept. 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 Very good. This one very easy. This
Friend.
defend. Yes. Defend.
Defend.
Defend. This one, this C we pronounce
Kid.
acid.
Active.
Acid.
Active.
This one,
Action.
yes, thank you. This Tion we pronounce sure. It gives Tion. It gives sure sound. Television, carnation, Tion, or dictation. How do we write dictation?